Hi, in this video I will show you how to get the Mewing Pin in Brawl Stars. So this is actually the Mewing Pin on your Brawl Stars and you can head over and unlock it if you want. Now in order to get it, you can head over and then most straightforward is to get the available method on the Mewing Pin through the Supercell ID rewards in the Brawl Stars catalog. You can log into your Supercell ID and accumulate points and you can redeem these points for exclusive pins including the Mewing Pin. This is typically listed among other exclusive or limited time pins in the catalog section. Other option is through star drops and shop offers. Some pins and brawl stars can be obtained from star drops and as of right now the moving pin is generally considered as exclusive or event pin, making it less likely to appear in regular star drops. Last, you can head over and do event participation and challenges, and browsers introduce those challenges where users can participate to achieve milestones and rewards, including that particular pin. So what you can do is you can just obtain it into your actual Supercell ID rewards catalog. So that's how you get the mewing pin in Brawl Stars. Hope we help.